Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the exact URL and making sure it includes the protocol so browsers recognize it. Once done, pick concise, meaningful anchor text that describes the destination. Then open your editor or CMS, highlight the text you want clickable, or place the cursor where the link will go. Use the editor's link button or start in a tag in HTML. This first push gets you into the creation flow and avoids broken or non-clickable links later. Now insert the link using the format your platform requires: HTML, a href or markdown text, URL, or the editor's dialog. Make sure to add target equals blank when you want a new tab and include rel equals newpiner for security and performance. If you need tracking or cleanliness, use a shortener or append UTM parameters. For email links, use mailto, and include subject/body if needed. Also double-check that special characters are encoded. Finish by testing the link in multiple browsers and on mobile to confirm it opens as expected. Make sure anchor text is accessible. Add area labels and visible focus styles so keyboard users can find it. If styling is needed, apply CSS without removing clickability. If the link still isn't clickable, check for missing protocol, an overlay element with higher z-index, pointer events set to none, or disabled anchors. Fixing those usually restores interactivity. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.